Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. Just rope in. On today's menu, we have some spicy sweet fried chicken. Yes. And of course, we have to season it because we don't eat food that's not seasoned. And me not talk about salt and pepper. No, we're rubbing some all-purpose seasoning. This is some onion powder. Going girl. And also I'm gonna put some garlic, but this is the roasted garlic pepper and pepper. Yes. And I'm also gonna put some hot chili on it. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be so good. So yes, season it good, right? So dash it on, and then now gets to put on your gloves, and then we're gonna get to rubbing. So rub it in and rub it up. Yes, so combine everything on the chicken. You just want to rub it up good. I mean, go in with your hand, but like me, I don't like to touch raw meat, so I'm going in with my gloves, pouring some more on there, and rub it up. So yeah, guys, you need your meat to be well seasoned. When your food really packed with flavor and seasoned well, oh yes, your taste buds thank you, and you enjoy it so much more. So yeah, I'm all for seasoning your food properly. So now that we are basically all done, just to give it an extra rub, extra love, and see it here, done and dusted. So now here are my ingredients that I will be using on this nice good old fried chicken. What is that accent for? Okay, so also I'm gonna season my flour. So it's just regular flour. It's not self-rising flour. No, just regular flour. Add some all-purpose seasoning to it as well. And now we're gonna dunk that chicken in there. So we're gonna flour each piece of chicken. So get it all over it, nicely coated, and then set it one side on another plate and go for a leg. Oh yes, I love some just the one thigh and now a leg. Oh yes, I love me some leg and thigh. That's what I always eat, by the way, a nice leg and thigh. So yeah, so coat each piece of chicken with the flour, and then now we're ready to fry. So my pot there's fire under my pot, and I'm adding some oil. This is the only time you will get me adding a lot of oil to my pot, because you guys know I do not like to use a lot of oil. So yeah, add some oil, make sure it's hot, and then put your chicken in there. Be careful, because listen to me, no bunny nah go on around here. Me is a girl, me don't deal with bun. No bunny nah take place, not even from some aisle. Nothing, no bun. Only bun me eat a bun when I Easter time. So yeah, let your chicken fry until it's nice and golden deep brown. Look at it, guys, so beautiful. They are looking so good and nice and scrumdiddlyumptious already. I know I'm gonna enjoy these. Yes, come right through, pretty chicken. Una come through. Yes, una say ready now. Una wants me to take una out. Let's go. So I get my fork and I stick it in there, and then I'm gonna take them out. So I have a plate that's lined with paper towel, because you know you need to drain your chicken, get that oil off, or you can put it on a rack. So say you have a tray and you put your rack on it and you put the chicken on it, drain them just the same. But I prefer to use napkin because it absorbs the oil. So this is the last one. Get out of my pot, you nice little one, you. Okay, so I have some honey. I think this is about half cup of honey, and I'm gonna add my sriracha sauce. Now, to be honest, this is really about preference and your taste. So when you add the honey, the sriracha to your honey, just taste it and see, okay, is this the level of hot we me want? You see, true, me love it hot, like spicy, nice. I added some more and mix it round. Now my honey did kind of have a little cold thing I go on feed, so I put it in the microwave for like 10 or 15 seconds. So yeah, it was all nice and warm, and now look at me pouring it all over that nicely fried chicken, looking so caramelized and brown. Guys, I'm telling you, this sauce right here, what is better than, ooh yes, what's better than sweet and spicy? Nothing. Yes, girl. Look at that. Tell me you don't want that in your belly. So I'm gonna do it to all them chicken. I don't know why I didn't use my brush, because I have my little brush that I could just, nicely just whoops it over. But yeah, I choose to just use the spoon and get all up on there. So yes, pour the sauce, flip them over, and put them back on your thing. And guys, I'm telling you, this chicken right here, you're gonna, vibes fam, see it, yeah. And I was saying, you're gonna thank me. You're going to thank me, and your taste buds are gonna thank me too, I promise. Guys, this is delicioso. Ooh, look at it glistening at me. Look at you. You look so lovely. You're so delicious. Oh, listen to me. This recipe is a must try. Me nah go around, may I tell you no, I go love it. Love it. You want to try something new? Not just a regular everyday fried chicken, which is nice. I love it too. But all I'm saying is, you need to try this right here. So just fry your chicken regular, and then you just get to the honey and some sriracha hot sauce or any hot sauce where you have. And I'm telling you, oh guys, yes, vibes fam. So this is us. Thank you so much for watching. I wish I could have dashed on one of the chicken leg or the thigh, but I can't. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. As usual, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. God bless you.